ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra ashapi ta ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Ki Pulit Jonka East Khasi Hills District haka Hendreo Tarik Ubnai Risau Arajar Arpuway kila yo ban kem yo wayu Samla badang Arpuway snem karta nakasnong Umphyrnai halor ka jing suba ba uday Donkti ban bo yo bom IED ha Khyrdop ka Ophis trekam Jonka National People's Party kabadan ha Lashumir Shillong Kumban supentip hangni haka no phai sngi jong ka sau tarik ubnai risau arajar arpuway ki pai ba ki ba yaj ba yang haka thain lashumir kila her serngeo tangshiyo jingtip bakaladon ka jingbo yo bom hajan ka office trekam jong ka NPP ya kabala kamru de ka sanking atiar hanyo trep National Liberation Council kabala penbena pai baru haka rensan social media Haka jingya keren bat kilat pathai khubor Menteri Rangba ka Jellau Konrad Sangma ula ong bayo new Samla ubaki pulit kila yo ban kem halor kani ka jingjia ula kubur ru ba uday Donkti halor kani ka jingjia.
Yes, there has been one arrest that has been made and interrogation is on, and the concerned person has already admitted that he was the one who had placed the bomb here, and through that more investigation is taking place. I will not be able to share details with you right now. At the same time, there are another few individuals involved in not just this but last bombing also. They have also been traced, and you will get more updates as the day proceeds. So maybe towards the evening I will give you more details on that aspect. But I can inform to you that the individual who had placed the bomb here has been arrested and interrogation is on, and we are going to get more leads through him. At the same time, as I said, some more developments will take place towards the evening in terms of others who are involved in this particular incident. Law and order situation is fine. This was a very isolated incident that happened. Of course, we're not undermining the seriousness of it. It is a serious matter and serious breach, and therefore definitely the police department and all will do everything in their capacity to ensure that, number one, the people responsible are caught, and also to ensure that these kind of incidents don't happen in the future. But overall, the law and order situation is very normal, and we will ensure that in the future we will do every step that is required to ensure that such incidents don't happen. And as I mentioned, in this regards, already concerned people have been arrested. At the same time, more developments will take place towards the evening, which I will give information about.